What's up, web learners, and welcome to mauwix.com. I just want to share the new research tool on YouTube that I am testing today. Here's how I use it. You can select a location to search from, which is awesome. We can also add it on Google Trends, save the keyword or search term for later use. You may want to use a content gap as a starting point to research videos that don't exist or could be improved. As per YouTube, a content gap is a way of measuring what viewers are searching for and the results they find. A content gap can happen when viewers can't find any results for their searches. Viewers can't find an exact match for their searches. Viewers can't find relevant videos for their searches. For example, the content is old or low quality. Here, we can also explore search terms relevant to our channel, based on what our viewers and viewers of channels in our niche that they are looking for on YouTube. How do you use in with your content? Let me know in the comments.